Hello, everybody. It is Saturday evening, and I am just here with a little 5-star opening. I don't know who I really want or who I really need. I would really like Nick Fury because I don't have him, and I have a gem waiting for him. I have a skill gem and a mystic gem, so don't know who I really want right now other than Nick Fury. So let's open this bad boy up and see who we get. Who should I open it on?
Doom.
Doom?
Oh, frick. My bad.
Nice job.
What did you do, Mr. Fantastic?
No, just do Doom. You're still good. Alright, we'll do the 4 corners. A dupe of anybody would be good. Let me take a guillotine $20.99. That would be good. Doom would be good. Nova would be good. A new champ would be good. I would be happy with that. So let's see who we get. Oh, I would love an X-22. Well, not a dupe of my Vulture that I just got. That was not what I was hoping for.
You pulled him back to back, I think.
Did I pull him back to back?
Because your last podcast was when you completed Act 6, correct?
Well, not complete, became Cavalier.
Yeah.
A back-to-back Vulture. Well, isn't that some shit? That is not good. But I'm almost halfway to another shitty 6-star probably. So, yeah, that was not a great pull. But you know what? They can't all be good. So, I'll take it. It's whatever. Hope you guys are all having a good Saturday evening. And see you soon.